Hello everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints and welcome to my craft room. This is my messy little personal space for creating and making junk journals and other crafts. So let's just take a really quick little tour. So over here, I've got a shoe organizer hanging on the back of my door and it's just a catch-all for all of my junk, all the things that I'm working on in the moment. It's really not organized at all. It's just pieces that I happen to have in hand at the time and don't know where to put them. So over here though is a really good little idea. This is a spice rack and I use it to organize my ribbon and lace. And if you've got, you know, what I did, which is a box of ribbon and lace and junk, this is just a really great way to organize it all. I'm really grateful that we got this. And I think my little craft buddy is sneaking around here. Toby, Toby, psst, Toby. Hey, say hello, hello. And this is just a bookshelf for organizing all of my junk. And I've got, handmade papers here that I usually get online, and these are really handy for making junk journals. And then past projects that we've printed out go here. And yeah, sticky stuff, glue and tape. And then these are Kyra's creations that she's made in some of the videos that you've watched. And up here is my trademark from the government. Yay, I'm official. And over here is my pegboard. And this is really handy for organizing and just making the room feel like a craft room. My husband made it and he framed it out and hung it for me, so thank you, hubby. And then this is a table that we got online used. It's a solid wood table and it's huge and I love it. It's great for crafting. When I first created this room, we had a smaller table over here and it was quickly realized that it was not going to be big enough for all the crafting. So over here is kind of Kyra's side of the table and this is my side and we have to share our camera mount, although I'm hoping to get another one soon. And these drawers are actually a project that I did. I decoupaged them and they're really great for storing all the little things. And then this is kind of the more decorative part of the room. I bought this sign online and it's kind of special because I chose the year for it, 1907, and that was the year my great-grandma was born. And then this chair is really pretty, but it is not comfortable at all. It's about solid as a rock when you sit down on it. So some things that look pretty, not necessarily comfortable, just a heads up for you. And then this is our view. Yes, we are really blessed to have this view. We live on the edge of parkland and we happen to have a view of a lake. And when we bought this house, it was just barely in our price range and it needed some work, but we were like, you know, it's worth it for the location and I'm really glad that we got it. And then over here is where I do most of my work. This is my computer desk and it's where I create a lot of the designs that you guys like to use and enjoy. So this is where the magic happens. And up here, these are really neat. This is some Alexander Jansson art. And I really love his style because it's so magical and whimsical and just kind of childlike and fun and imaginative. So if you get a chance, look up Alexander Jansson. He does some really cool stuff. And these are blackout curtains because during the day, the sun shines through this window so bright that I can even see. It's just blinding. So yeah, I have to have blackout curtains. I highly recommend those if you work on a computer in a sunny room. And this is Toby's space. Is that your space? Yes, it is. That's your space. That's where you make stuff happen, isn't it? That's where you play. And then over here is where I keep some of my projects, my books. Oh, Toby sees something out the window. Shush you. And this is my closet. I don't even want to open it, but in the interest of full disclosure, this is where I keep all of my other stuff that I don't want to have out where everyone can see it. I've got sticky paper and old projects and, you know, just everything. Stickers. Stickers are very important. I love stickers. So yeah, that's my closet. We'll just close that. It's messy back there. And then finally over here is my printer cabinet where I keep my Epson Ecotank. Ta-da! Usually this is open because I print a lot, as you can imagine. And I've got a nice little sticker here to tell me which direction the paper goes when I put it in, so that I have it going the right way when I print on the front and the back side. Maybe you can relate. I always think, what side? How do I have to position this paper to print on it? But, so yeah, that is my craft room, guys. Thanks for taking this tour with me. Take care. Bye.